seconds. Melissa, there's a spider on the ceiling right over your head.
Oh, Jim,
right there. Right
Jim,
there. I get it. Hold on, I get it.
Ah, Jim, that is not funny. You're sleeping on the couch.
Pro marriage tip. If the doctor tells you you only have 6 months left to live, all you have to do is every morning ask your wife what she dreamed about and what she might think those dreams meant. Ask her every day how she feels. And every night at the end of the day, ask her how her day was. Now, this won't cure what ails you, but that 6 months will feel like an eternity.